Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 16, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:12 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:21 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, brilliant Venus shines from the eastern sky before daybreak. The planet rises 3 hours, 25 minutes before the sun, and it can be seen in the southeast as the sky brightens. An hour before sunup, the planet is over 20 degrees above the horizon. It is stepping eastward in front of Libra. The morning star is 2.4 degrees to the upper left of Zubin el-Janubi, meaning the southern claw. Tomorrow the planet passes the star. The gap is 0.9 degrees. In 2 mornings, Venus passes between the claws. It passes Zubin Shamali, the northern claw, in a wide conjunction on the 21st. In some celestial artwork, Scorpius has 2 long claws that are part of Libra on today's star charts. At this season before sunrise, the star Graphias, meaning the crab, is to the upper left of the head. Venus passes the star on New Year's Day. Antares, the Scorpion's brightest star, makes its first morning appearance at Chicago's latitude around December 24, depending on local weather conditions. The Scorpion does not become fully visible until early March, when the star Gertab, meaning Scorpion, in the curving tail, is high enough to be seen. As spring approaches, the constellation stretches across the southern horizon before sunrise. The Scorpion's claws begin to appear in the east-southeast after sunset during early May. Gertab is again visible after sunset to complete the Scorpion's shape during mid-July. Mars is slowly emerging from bright sunlight into the eastern pre-dawn sky. This morning it rises 36 minutes before the sun. In the evening sky, Mercury is scampering into brighter evening twilight. At sundown, it is nearly 8 degrees up in the southwest. The planet sets 54 minutes after the sun. It loses 6 to 8 minutes of setting time each evening until it passes between Earth and Sun on the 22nd. An hour after sundown, the lovely crescent moon, 20% illuminated, is over 15 degrees to Saturn's lower right and about 20 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. Look for Earth shine on the night portion between the moon's cusps or horns. The effect is from sunlight reflecting from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. It is easy to see without any optical assistance, although a binocular accents the view. Photograph Earth shine with a tripod-mounted camera and exposures up to a few seconds, depending on the camera's settings. At this hour, bright Jupiter is easy to see, less than halfway up in the east-southeast. The planet is retrograding in front of Aries, 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Hamel, the Ram's brightest star, and 14.2 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, part of Cetus. The planet is noticeably west of an imaginary line between the 2 stars. Jupiter's retrograde ends in 2 weeks and appears to move eastward again. Watch it move eastward and pass between the stars during the next several weeks. As the night progresses, the moon, stars, and planets appear farther westward from Earth's rotation. The moon sets over 4 hours after night falls, followed by Saturn about 90 minutes later. Jupiter is south about the time the moon sets. The Jovian giant sets 4 hours before sunrise and nearly 40 minutes before Venus rises tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.